How to make money on the internet has always been right in front of you. That computer on your desk isn't just for browsing the internet or doing your banking, it's a tool that could make you rich. In some cases, you may even be able to supplement your income and quit your 9-to-5 job and create your own business full-time. No commute, no annoying colleagues, no boss looking over your shoulder, a flexible schedule. These are just a few of the benefits of working from home, and if working from home is your goal, all you need is what you already have: a computer, internet access, and a plan. Ask yourself these questions: what kind of work am I willing to do? How much money do I want to make? How much time am I willing to commit? Be honest with yourself. This information will help you narrow down your options. Believe it or not, but people are really making money on the internet from home, anywhere from a few $100s a month to millions of dollars a month, and you can do it too, with a little bit of your time and effort on your part. In my own personal business experiences, the quickest and easiest way to make money on the internet is by becoming an affiliate of companies like eBay, Amazon, ClickBank, Commission Junction, Linkshare, etc. However, there you are limited to 10 to 60% of whatever you sell to others, and some like ClickBank vendors will go as high as 90% commission if you bring in a large number of sales. To make some serious money, you need to have your own website, your own list, and your own product where you keep 100% of the money. Here you are not only in total control but will also have many other opportunities open to you as well. Find a niche. A niche with a high demand, not necessarily one where you think there will be a high demand. The hottest niches now are health and wellness, diet industry, home and finance, where many people are trying to better their lives, self-improvement or success-related products, relationships and dating help, internet marketing. The above might sound difficult, trust me it's not. Rather, you just want to make a few $100 a day or a $1,000, you can do it, because other men and women have done it and become millionaires as an affiliate selling other people's product and services. Does making a $100 a day or a $1,000 appeal to you? But, you say, you have a busy lifestyle, you don't have time to do all that research, creating a website, getting traffic or trying to find a niche that will make you money, and all that jazz. What if I told you, you don't have to? Would you at least check it out?